Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's start our video. Today our video is related to nature. It's more complicated than you think. The social construction of nature. Nature does not refer to an objective, universal object. It is not a given. Different culture, different historical periods, different people construction. In the imagination, that which nature refers to in many cultures, there is not even a word for what we call nature. The question then becomes, how does this culture, period, social group or person imagine the transhuman world and how human relationship to it? Each construction involves different concepts of what that transhuman world is, what its reality is, how it operates, what our relationship to it is, what value it has, etc. Nature and the natural. Three fundamental mechanic meanings: dualistic, monistic, adverbial. East Asia. Dualistic: nature is what is not human or cultural or not disturbed by humanity and society. Nature versus human or culture. This building and plastic and nuclear waste are not natural. Monistic: nature as everything in the phenomenal world, that which can be studied by natural sciences. Nature versus the supernatural. This building and plastic and nuclear waste are natural. Adverbial: something is natural when it acts according to its true nature. Essentially, humans are fully natural, existentially, behaviorally. We usually act unnaturally. Humans have the ability to act contrary to their nature based on will and reason. Key distinction: natural suspensious action versus forced artificial action. Four major ways of convening nature: collection, web of relationships, process, Gaia. Nature as collection. Individualism give primacy and individualism treats animals as discrete and independent beings. Aggregation: nature as this particular set of organisms, our current biodiversity and biogeography, what is growing, where individual ecosystems and the abiotic conditions. Policy with nature as collection. Value individuals over populations. Species. Ecosystems keep individual plants and animals alive. Attempts to preserve an ecosystem just as it is keep it from changing. Includes fighting all fires. Keep populations of animals from declining, expanding, or migrating. More likely to see nature as collection of resources to exploit, but also can support animals' rights. Nature as web of relationships, ecological view. All things live in interaction with each other. An ecosystem is that dynamic structure of things in relationship at a particular location. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. John Muir. Each thing has its particular niche role in the system. What is primary is not the individuality or distinctness of organisms, but the ways they are interrelated with other organisms and the physical environment. A forest is not a collection of trees, but a community of interdependent organisms, each with a specific role in the ecosystem. Policy with nature as web of relationships identify how things are interrelated and which species are most important to the system. Keystone species conserve the system of relationship rather than individual organisms, focusing on the whole but attending to the most important species, thus protect predators and prey, especially predators. Nature as process, a set of natural processes not caused by humans, which includes fires, forest succession, periodic infestations, periodic droughts, natural extinction, etc. Policy with nature as process. Let forests change or regenerate through natural processes of periodic fire, succession, etc., but fight against unnatural degradations such as massive forest caused by build-up of debris, clear-cutting the rainforest, etc. Let natural population dynamics occur, which requires maintaining predators but fight against human-caused species extinctions. Nature as Gaia. The long-range conditions, processes, and occurrence of the plant, particular level of oxygen and temperature range, includes ice ages, huge volcano eruptions, or superfires and massive extinctions caused by extraterrestrial objects. Policy with nature as Gaia, huge dams, strip mining, global warming. Nature doesn't care. Chill out, man. Everything's always the way it's supposed to be. I hope you like this video.